it's so cute. I can just buy another one.
Okay, so we finish here. Ito yung sa atin naman.
Wait, I want to get a Mogu Mogu.
Yeah, anong gusto mong ano? Kuha kita.
What flavor?
Strawberry?
There's coconut.
Grape?
Try grape.
Okay, grape. Give it to mommy.
Because we've never
Oh.
tried grape before.
Okay, what else?
Grape and then lychee. Or lychee.
Mommy, saan ang lychee here?
Lychee, this one.
Lychee.
Lychee.
Ah, yan ang kuha.
Have you ever had a one in real life? You know what I mean? I've never
Yeah,
had
yeah,
the
lychee,
real
yeah.
one. Yeah, but it's already peeled, so like you don't eat the outside, right? Yeah, Ali, that's what it looks
There's a
like.
big bones, yeah.
You don't eat the outside, you eat the inside. But look at
Okay.
this one. Isn't that interesting?
Ang lamig. Oh, let's go on there. School.
Sienna, the cookie, the baby is gonna look like this. See, it's just like a cone, and then it's so that's what it is. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ha? Gutom na ako, ah.
Ako rin eh.
Yeah. Your grandma is hungry.
Where do you want to eat?
Sabi Jack in the box. Sabi to Jack in the box. Gutom na.
I won't disagree with whatever they want. Ako kahit ano eh.
Si mami man.
I don't ano, basta malagyan ng...
Oh, what else that you want?
Ikaw, anong gusto? Ikaw, McDonald's ang favorite mo.
Ang ganda McDonald's eh. Di ba yung kinakain natin? Okay. Come on now.
Okay, Sienna.
Beep beep.
Hello.
Yeah, he will turn. Oh, ngayon lang pala sila nakapunta rito. Okay. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. 20 pieces of sponge crunch.
Oh my gosh, look. Look, Annalise.
Rice cooker. That's a cashier, oh?
What, are you a Tata?
No, I'm talking
Are you okay? May kami. Ha? Saan ako turon? Dito?
Pamatigo to.
Saan ang turon? Okay.
Ito lang open na oh.
Hindi, may titignan pa daw sila.
This one would be better.
That's pork siomai. Pork siomai. Kamu kan taste? Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
May kuha tayong turon. Lago. Ba't tayo mo ang turon? Saan mo nakita yung turon?
Pero kung McDonald's, ay, kakain sa ano.
Saan?
Wala ka ng ganyan.
Saan? Hindi ko kailangan. Halika. Doon ako bibisa sa atin na. Tingnan. turon. What's that thing? Pig? Well, go. Oink, oink. Oink. Ah. What's that? What's that thing? Ah, pork boneless. Yeah.
Pork butt. That's the butt of the pork on the pig. Meat.
Upo muna tayo dun, Mick.